Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Today we need to create here the my cart tabs, and then after we need to create here the plus or minus quantity UI. We need to develop this row, and then after we need to create here the this checkout page. We need to develop this checkout page. We need to develop. Then after we need to create here the favorite list button UI. We need to tap UI. We need to develop here and to list out these items. We need to list out. Let's start. We need to coding here inside the flutters. Need to go first of all, so need to create here the new view, and to write down here the my cards folders names need to give here. And then after need to first of all need to set here the all text are the smalls. First of all rename this and to my cards. Now need to create inside the new files my cards view. Card. And now need to create here the stateful widgets. We need to write down here cart and need to also create here the now need to create here the scaffolds and to write down here the F bars. Write down here there. And need to first of all the copy here text F bar and to go inside the my cart view and to get the F bar and to set here the color extensions and to set here the cards titles. Now need to set here this and to equations and to set here the ones and to set here the color lights set here. Now need to configure this cart view inside the main tab view. To go inside the main tab view here and to set here the cart view, write down here the const set and imports this widgets here my cart view and to save this UI. And now need to go inside the my carts and to save this here. Now need to select here the my cards and to display this UI here goods here. And now need to create here first of all to give here the already create here the array for the designs and to put here the array. Copy this and to set here. This is the cart array. Inside we need to create here the name, icons, quantity, units, and price we need to set here. Quantity we need to set as a integers and price we need to set as a doubles value. We need to set here. Now we need to create here the first of all create here the body inside the scaffold and to write down here the stack view. Define here the childs. And now need to give here the alignments. We need to set here first of all the set as a bottoms bottom centers we need to set here. Then after we need to create here the checkouts buttons. We need to develop these checkouts buttons. First of all need to write down here the round buttons and to set. see here out give here now need to check here the gets this icons and right here column here give here the main axis alignment set here the bottoms and to set here padding that is now need to create here the list view. We need to develop here the list view. Write down here the builders context. Now need to set here the item counts and need to write down here the part array length here. Now need to set here the padding to pages inserts set here. Now need to return here the container columns. And we need to build as a separators to change this to add here the separators pages. Now set here the divider here the color write down here the 6 set here right here 1 must value. Now need to set here the heights. First of all need to give here heights. We need to set here and we need to create here the background colors. Need to set here the white colors. Need to give the scaffold. So this and now need to create here the common view. Need to develop for the these cards. First of all need to go inside here common widgets new files and to get down here the cart row cart item row cart and we need to first of all the copy here the product cells copy these containers and now need to see copy this pool and we need to paste here inside. To rename first of all we need to set here the cart item row. Now need to write down here the one method plus minus this event methods no needs here, and no need to padding here, no here's and no needs here. Just both pair. That here right 40. Now remove this margins with no needs here, padding, and we need to set first of all the this decorations no needs here and to set here. Now need to create here the row and to set here the start, and then after need to set here the columns, and first of all need to set here the cross axis alignment, need to set here the start, and now need to get here to go. Now need to set this all, but here paste here this, and now need to remove this quantity, and to write down here the extended expanded, that's we need here, and to set here the width is 70, more. Now need to remove this add cards icons, so here, and to create here rows, copy these relative paths and to paste here the close, and to set here the colors, key colors, secondary text need to set here, and now need to create here the row contents and text and quantity, and to write down it print. And now need to set here search const value, and now need to convert inside the string. Write down dollars, give this value. This is for the price, and to check here the font size, to set here the 18 volts, and now need to check here quantity text, set here the 16 semicolon. Now need to go inside here. First of all, need to copy this UI, homes, product details, now need to copy this UI, to go inside the item row and to put. Now need to set this container. Got this here. Remove this here. Now need to set here the GUI here. Remove this head scenes. And now need to give here the some height space. We need to not height space, we need to give here the width space here. As a width, we need to write down here 15 cost value. We now need to check this UI. Inside we need to configure. First of all, we need to go inside the my cards to replace UI and to import first of all these extensions here. And our first item. To write down here the cards index of value. Yep, I have to set this value here, and now to this here. Now need to save this here and check it. And we to first of all to fix this UI issue, and then after go inside this UI, and first of all need to Cut this row here. That here. Okay. Stick. Now need to cut this row. Then after need to create here the row here. Right down here. Text is expand. Expanded, extended, expanded. And to give here the close buttons need to set here. First of all need to put containers and to put inside the now need to set here. To remove these decorations, no needs ears and to all things and to write down on tab events. Write down now need to give here the padding. First of all need to set here padding. Write down here the insert metric vertically. You need to set here the and now need to give here the height space. Width space, not height space. Just inch. Now need to save here and now need to give here the this shears and to now need to write down here Set here the ends and to get the center. And to increase this heights, we need to set here. That is 80. And to steer. Now this UI are the good spots here, the screens, and this, and first of all need to set here the total sum outs inside these buttons. Now need to go inside here the cart view. To containers, and now need to set the round buttons. And close this here. Now need to copy these buttons here to also Control Z. Now need to go inside here the cards. First of all need to set these titles here. Now we need to set here the static value. Point. And to set here white colors and to set here font size. Set as a 12. And now need to remove this width, no needs ears, and no needs ears. And we need to set here the color. To remove these borders, no need here. To cow set as a pie. And now need to set here the no needs here. And to background colors, we need to set here the primary. Then after we to click. Put this here and write down here the stack. And to set here the alignments, need to set here the center. Paste here. Set here. Now need to set here the main axis alignment and set to the center. Cost. And now need to set here center. And now need to give here the heading. Set here cost, edges inset, trick, or and horizon set here. Now need to set here cost value and to here. Now display goods this UI here, and this checkouts UI tab UI are the done here. Now need to develop here the checkouts UI. We need to develop this pop-up UI. Need to develop first of all, and then after need to create here the this favorite UI tabs. We need to develop. First of all, need to go inside here the get here new files and now need to write down here the scaffolds. Stateful widgets need to develop here and to down here the checkout. Now need to import this extension first of all the material dependency, and now need to create here the containers. Get the box decorations. To copy these decorations here and here. Now need to set color as a white. Then after need to set here border radius. We need to set here the 30. Now need to give here the main size and axis size into set as a minimum. And after first of all need to create here the buttons for place orders. Need to write down here round button, set the titles order, and down here the padding, this here, and tag no needs here because already container inside the heading property are the availables. Now need to configure this UI inside here the our checkouts. Open to go inside the my carts and need to write down here the checkout click events and to write down here the functions. Now need to write down here the sheets and set here the context, set here write down here the semi. Now need to set here check and to set here the constants value, set here. Now need to give here this event pair calls. We need to set here the buttons checkouts. Now need to save this, click here. Now this open this UI. First of all we need to set here the white colors, color transparency need to set here. This UI and to open again. Display goods this UI here. And now need to set here one by one small things we need to set here. First of all need to copy these titles and to write down here those buttons. One more property we need to set here dismiss menu dismiss. Now auto dismiss are the close. Now need to go inside the checkouts. First of all need to copy these titles and now need to go checkout show and to here and row and set it the main axis alignment. That is space between now. And need to first of all the import here the color extensions and now need to set here the checkout title. Now need to get this. Now need to set here heading. Set here the symmetric. Vertically we need to give. Now need to create here the close buttons. We need to develop. First of all we need to go inside the cards. So items. Say no buttons and to paste it. Now need to write down here navigator. Pop and text. Set here the primary colors. Text. Now need to set here check it. Yes, outside click not work. This is the for this and now need to develop here the first of all the Go inside the cart view and to the vectors and to click here and to give some first of all to row. Now need to copy this here, set this text and to set it secondary text and to write down here the and to check the fonts first of all 18 600. Now need to adjustment set here and now need to let's get the main axis set here now need to dividers and to set here expand this write down here the now need to go inside here the product details page and to find out the nutrition row and to copy these buttons go inside the checkouts view and to put here and to write down here the copy text here now need to set here extra line set here to write down here the titles and to set here the 16 bolts and primary text set here colors primary text now need to check this no now need to convert inside the common row need to create here triple need to this here now need to write down it well Next, darts need to develop here and to create here the set list widgets and to write down here the out. And first of all need to import here the material dependency here. Then after we to set here the color extensions. Now need to set here the one by titles and value. The value. After we to set here click event. Right. To set is the required titles required dot value set required this dot on press. Now need to set as a titles need to, and then after the value as a value and to convert full the one step events. Press event we need to write. Now need to set this. Copy this. Now to go inside the checkouts. Now need to go inside the checkout view and to configure this UI. Titles, delivery, here the value, write down here the on press events. Now need to set here the payments and to set here the space. And now need to set here the some white space between the set the checkouts with space into to set. Now need to show this here. Being good this UI. Now need to my checkout view icon buttons. And now need to copy this against this row here First of all, I need to give the promo code and to set here the discount. And after I need to set here the endpoint. Now need to set here the terms and conditions. Need to go inside the sign up screen. Copy this rich text. Now need to go inside the checkouts. Gestures need to set here. Now need to set here. Let's set here heading. Heading property need to set here context. Edges inset. Vertically set here. And to write down here the primary text colors need to set here. Sign conditions. Listen. Now display goods here this UI and to this setting. Now need to give here some space between space. Now need to see. And this checkouts, first of all need to set this here, image here the cards. Checkout view and to space. Now need to set sets then here. Now need to give here the master card image to set here native path. Now these checkouts UI are the done, and now need to develop here the these favorites UI need to develop here. Now need to create inside the view, create new. Now need to create here the new files. Favorite. Need to first of all the copy here the checkout UI, my cards UI, and to here. and to unused codes need. Now need to create the round buttons and that here. Now need to replace this array. To also need to send to add here the favorite array. Yes, and to write down here the favorite array. And to write down here the favorite letters. List here. And when to configure this UI, change first of all this name. Now need to save this UI, configure, insert the main tabs. Edit view and to save this here. Now need to create here the favorite cells. Need to develop first of all need to copy the checkouts files and to change this here. And to this value. Now need to copy this triple row and to set. Now need to set here the. Now need to spawn this here and set here the. With the main axis align, set the starts Now need to go inside the cart items and to copy this text here, and then after need to inside the copy this text here and to that here, and then after need to set here the price here, it now need to go to this price and to set as the favorites, and to check here the font 18 sports years, and now need to configure this row inside the favorite view, write down put these widgets here, put event. Now need to save these years and to check here the favorite, and need to control the fix this issue, date, after respond UI, to set here the cross axis alignment, to set here the start, and to UI and to some set here the 15. Now need to check here font size inside, set here the 16s, now need to check inside and to set here the symmetry, that ends and horizontal view. Now need to save this UI, and this favorite UI are the done screen here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you are new visitor, to subscribe my channels and press the bell notification icons. You can get the every new video notifications. And everyone have a goodbye and have a nice day.